So hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel Tech Essence. In this video, we are going to discuss three different ways in which you can earn money using Facebook. So the very first way to earn money from Facebook is to earn from Facebook monetization. So from this link, you can check over here that the policies that or the eligibility criteria that you need in order to monetize your Facebook page. Let us have a look at what are the requirements in order to get eligible for your Facebook page to be monetized. So the very first thing is that you must pass and remain complaint with Facebook's partner monetization policy. So this is something fair enough. And the main criteria are, so you need to publish from a page and not a profile with at least 10,000 followers. Then you must generate at least 30,000 1 minute views on videos that are at least 3 minutes long in last 60 days. So this one is, I guess, a little bit tough one. If you have 10,000 followers, then you can definitely have this much time, but tough thing is that you need to have it in last 60 days. So this is the challenging thing. And then the most important thing is that you must live in a country eligible for in-stream ads. So basically, let us see the countries which allow this. So it is allowed in India. So here you can see like in depth how to use in-stream ads, and it includes in multiple languages. So these are the languages, and current country availability is over here. So you can see over here the list of countries in which in-stream ads are available. So it is available in India, Indonesia, as well as many other countries. So you can see over here. The second way to earn money from Facebook is Facebook Manager. So what is basically Facebook Manager is there are certain pages on Facebook which require live chat. So they need to have someone on the other side to chat to their customers and to provide them support. Or there can be any call to action button which can lead your customers to call you directly. So for that work, you can earn money from that by working as a Facebook manager also. And the third way by which you can earn money from Facebook page creation. So I'll show you guys how you can earn money using Facebook. So this is a whole lot of series which you can follow in order to earn money from Facebook. I should be posting videos every single day for this whole course. So I should be also teaching you guys where to find your clients from and how much they pay you, as well as how to deliver the final product. So without any further ado, let's start with this video.